Okay, hey y'all. So today I decided I was gonna give y'all a different kind of video. Hey y'all, so today I decided I'm going to give you all a different kind of video. I'm gonna show you all me taking my braids out. They don't look too bad, but my hair is dirty and I'm ready to take them out. My hair is starting to come out of the braids. I mean, it's not bad, but it's bad enough. It's bad enough. But yeah, so these are my braids. They're like waist length, and I did do them all myself. I redid them at the roots a couple weeks ago. Like I just pretty much took them and just took a rubber band, gelled it up, and then twisted it like a dread so it'll be tighter. You get it. But yeah, so I'm about to take these out. I haven't decided what style I'm gonna do when I take them out. I'm just gonna show y'all me cutting them out, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, and after that I'll come back and probably show me putting in the style, whatever I decide, or just the end product. I don't know. But yeah, I think I'll insert some pictures like the week after I at first did them. You never know which one side might be better.
It's a video. It's a video.
Oh. It don't matter, I'm still gonna screenshot it.
I know. Making our way downtown. Yes, ma'am. You see the jersey. Okay, you already know, man.
I think I did a pretty good job for a woman that is blind in one eye and can't see out the other. I think I did a good job being blind in my poor little eye. I think I did a pretty good job. The hardest thing for me was trying to part because I couldn't see. But as you can see, yeah, they getting old. It's getting old. I done lost a couple charms, couple beads. See, it's all like the ends are all just jagged. I did use 3 different color packs of hair, like this color blonde, if you can see. Yeah, this. Then like this mixed color one, which is another pack. This reddish color, like red mud color from the country, you know. And yeah, I think that's it. And I just put charms throughout. Really simple, easy style. I've had these beads right here since I was literally 8 years old. Don't do me, I got a whole pack under the sink. But yeah, so we're gonna take these out. I guess this could be considered a part of my journey because this is what I do in my free time. Even when I could still see, I would just do my hair, or at least try. I know I said I was gonna give y'all a video of me coloring my orange wig for my birthday. I still have that footage, but I have not uploaded that video. I know I said I was gonna give y'all a video of me bleaching my real hair. Never uploaded that video, and that was actually the last time that I did bleach my hair in 2021. So yeah, let me get started and stop talking because I'm just doing a whole lot of talking. For what, girl? For what? And another thing, I just wanted to show y'all like how well I parted my hair, being that I cannot see. Like, get into these parts though, like they're not perfect, but I still feel like I did a really good job. Like, can y'all see it? Like, do you see this? Do you actually see this? Ma'am, what? Cause who said I was gonna let a disability disable me from doing anything? What, girl? Right here, I'm just showing me removing the beads before I actually cut the braid so that I wouldn't forget that they're on there and accidentally throw them away. And then I'm going to cut the braid about 2 inches below where my real hair stops in the braid. And then again, I repeat the process over and over again till I'm completely done. And like I just previously stated, I remove all the beads and charms to be sure that I do not throw any of them away on accident when I throw the hair away. So this is what it looks like after me cutting them. Now I'm gonna sit here and take all the rest of these out by hand. You hear my phone. Once again, it's because I'm on the phone. Say hey. Say hey. Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, this is how they look. I already feel bald-headed. And I've seen girls wear their hair like this, and I actually thought about doing this, but I don't know, I don't really like it. I don't know, and then it made me think about if I want to lock my hair, would I like my hair looking similar to this all the time? I don't know, because y'all know I've been thinking about locking my hair for like 10 years now. But yeah, I'm gonna take these all the way out, and I'll be back after I do that. So I'm finally done, and this is what my hair look like. I look like somebody ugly, little brother, but it's okay. But yeah, so this is it. I gotta take the rubber bands out. I cheated and did the rubber band method. As you can see, it's 2 rubber bands. Like I started retwisting my hair as my hair started to grow. I just literally did like this, and then gelled it up, put the rubber band on to hold it in place. But yeah, I did that to help grip my hair because, like I said, I can't see. But yeah, so as you can see, my hair is not really blonde anymore. Like I said when I first started recording, that's why I use different colors. And then that one color that was like half blonde, half brown, like my real hair is now. But I had a total of 38 braids in my hair. So now we're gonna take rubber bands out and wash it, and I'll see y'all after that. Okay, so I was tired, so I didn't show my real hair after I had blow dried it and all that. But this is just a little quick, simple style I decided to do. Don't do too much on me. We have been riding with the windows down most of the day. But it's just a simple crochet, half up, half down style. I know y'all be picking on the girls who wear their hair that way, but whatever. Look, I do what I can. And it's simple, it's easy, just like the braids. Again, simple, easy style. I hope one day that I can master the knotless braids, because those big old knots, that's not where it's at. It's annoying and it's ugly, honestly. But yeah, so this is just me doing a little slow-mo walk up, you know, and then the next clip is gonna be me doing a little hair flip, so you can see that even though it is crochet hair, it does still actually have a little bit of body and movement to it. Both styles cost me under $40. All the braiding hair that I bought I think 4 or 5 packs of different kinds and different colors of braiding hair. I ended up spending like right at $40. Then this hair here, I already had it. It was just some simple twist hair, and I just took the twist and unraveled the twist and then separated the hair and came up with this particular style. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, very simple style. I know y'all be picking on the girls who still wear their hair this way, but I don't care. I'm still wear my hair this way because, like I said, it's easy for me to do. And yeah, I'm balling on a budget. That's it, really. Just balling on the budget. But I hope you all stay tuned for my journey. Again, thank you all so very much for watching. If you wish to donate to me, that link will be down below in the description box. Thank you all for watching once again. And do you think you can guess what my next video is going to be about? Stay tuned.
It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. Fuck 'em.